What if I tell you that AI can detect lung diseases by just hearing the cough sounds? Yes, you heard it right. A Hyderabad-based healthcare company, Salcit Technologies, exploring Google's Health Acoustic Representations AI model to enhance early detection of tuberculosis based on our cough sounds. After trained on about 300 million pieces of audio data and in roughly 100 million cough sounds, Google's here is expected to help Salcit Technologies to extend screening for tuberculosis more widely across the country. Sujay Kakarnath, a product manager at Google Research, said, compared to blood test and imaging, sound is by far the most accessible piece of information that we can get about a person. Artificial intelligence is taking healthcare industry to the next level.